Hey guys, welcome to the Big Bill Boring Vlog Show. On today's episode, we will be reviewing kittens, not cats. Kittens.
Yo, what's up? You look bored. Hey, I can't help you with that. So let's watch a Big Bill Boring Vlog Show.
We are now entering the kitten room. No. Take two. We're now entering the normal cat room.
I give it a solid 8 out of 10. I mean,
and it would be a 9 out of 10 had not have
well, yeah,
that messed up ear.
he's got a little nick on his ear, but color, love the black.
Mm-hmm.
Matches my coat. Picking up, like he's chilling. Not heavy, not too heavy. Nice and light.
I know this cat, I believe, is named Blessing. And first off, he's got a cool name. He doesn't like me that much, though, because I shocked him a couple times while I was petting him, and I just shocked him again. He's very staticky. So staticky means at least a 7 out of 10. What? I'm shocking you. You're so staticky. So yeah, just by nature of how staticky he is, he gets an 8 out of 10.
Alright, so I'd give this one a solid 6 out of 10. Now, he looks kind of scared. Not gonna lie, I feel like he's gonna jump out at any moment. But his nose gives him positive points. Look how beautiful that nose is.
Oh my gosh, look at that nose.
So beautiful. His paws are kind of cute too. But I feel like his eyes are really small. They're as small as eyes. But again, he looks very uncomfortable. I feel like he's gonna jump out at any moment. So I say 6 out of 10.
So this cat is named Cheesecake. Cheesecake is one ugly cat. And I know this because I've been volunteering here since like October. He's been here and he has not left. The other cats have come and gone, but this cat stays. Cheesecake stays because he is one ugly ass cat. But I love him. I love him and he's very lovable. So for that, give him a 10 out of 10. Look at him. Look at that ugly cat.
So this boy, he's extremely scared. I've yet to touch him. And yeah, I'm not gonna try to touch him. So I mean, not being able to pet a cat, that kind of docks you a couple points. I mean,
I'd say so.
Color, by looking at him, judging him by his looks, I'd say quality, like solid 8 out of 10. But for like being a cat, like you're supposed to be able to be pet, and this kid, oh, he's bouncing.
Oh, he's bouncing.
Yeah, that's like a 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. You're a 3 out of 10.
Congrats.
Now this fat cat over here, he does not like me. He wants nothing to do with me. I think he's gonna bite me. So he is fat though. He is fat. And for that I give him a 7 out of 10. Oh, Cheesecake is back. That ugly ass cat. So ugly. Look at him. Now we're back home. Let's see how these cats stack up against shelter cats. I might say good color. Nice and fat. Nice and fat. You gonna give me a good meow? Good meow? No. So because he can't meow on command, it takes him down some notches. I'm gonna give him a solid 7 out of 10. And now to review of Mario. Very soft. Very soft. Kind of skittish though. He wants to run away. Yes, he wants to run away. But good color. Likes to sniff. I smell like other cats right now. That's why he wants to sniff. Overall, he's kind of. I'm having trouble deciding because I like his softness, I like his color, but I don't like how he runs away and shy all the time. But you know, that's kind of just part of his personality. That's just who he is. Can't hold it against him. Why are we rating cats anyway? Every cat is special. You know what? Mario's a 10 out of 10, and every cat we reviewed is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
A 10 out of 10. This has been the Big Bill Boring Vlog Show. Good night.
Yo, what's up? You look bored. Hey, I can't help you with that. So let's watch a Big Bill Boring Vlog Show.